Good morning, everybody. This is your Dow Jones setups for today. Now, we have formed another pin bar, and this area at 41,264 is of a lot of interest. Just above us is also that area, which is what we rejected yesterday, which is 41,447. Now, 41,447 was the previous all-time high. Now we do have diversions here on the weekly, and you can see the massive weekly rejection bar there, followed by a weekly rejection bar lower down. So you can almost argue that we are in a channel, and this is top of channel at the moment, or getting to the top of the channel. So lots of caution, I think, to be had here. Don't really like this pin bar followed by range bar. Really don't like that setup at all. And nothing more I can say on the 8 hour. The 3 hour, also a pin bar with follow through. So there'll definitely be people holding short at the moment here with this setup. And I still think you're looking for a zone of support, and we don't have a strong zone of support except for this area from last week around 4100. So that to me makes the most logical sense of where you want to be looking for support, looking for an entry. You definitely don't want to be doing it up at the levels we are now. Now, if you look at the hour, moved up, hit the all-time high at 41,447, came back. Now I'm just going to fine-tune this little level that we're playing with, because if you look sort of to Friday, you can see Friday structure as well as structure from yesterday that has formed. So this is a level that you should be paying attention to, which is 41,238. And same thing as what's happened on the S&P, this little downward trend from yesterday, which you see clearer on the lower time frames. Looks like it has broken, so there it is there. See how we just bumped our head on it, instant moving averages, ranging basically, and we broke above, came back to test some structure, and the structure is 41,238, and now we are moving. Now I can actually even fine-tune this a little bit more onto these two areas there, and that will be 41,234. So that's the level of support. I don't think I want to be buying off that. I would rather wait that we clear 41,270, come back and test it, and then look for the opportunity to the upside. Your target area is going to be 41,447 still. Until we clear that level and come back to test it, or clear it and then build a base above it, that level is going to offer resistance for some time to come still. So that's kind of my view for today. But I have an air of caution on this one, because we have this massive rejection pin bar here. So an 8 hour close below 41,234 could also spell disaster. So you can see here's an example there. But I don't think there's enough noise in the market for that at the moment. So anyway, I would be a little bit cautious with this. I think the DAX offers a little bit of a better setup, as well as the S&P 500. They do offer a little bit of a better setup, and this may happen. It may sort of break, come back, test. And the nice thing about this setup is you only are going to be risking 130 odd points, because you need to be below the low of yesterday once you break and retest here. Or you can have it sort of right below 41,234. So your stop area is fairly attractive. It's just we are sideways at the moment, and we've got strong resistance ahead of us, and we're in an area of what could be resistance as well. So a little bit, I think cautious is probably the right word. Just double check everything. Double check your entries and the reasons you're getting in. S&P and DAX, I think it's a little bit clearer set up. The structure's clearer than what I'm seeing here. Anyway, there is opportunity. Not looking for shorts, looking for opportunities to the upside, but you're looking for a break and retest of this zone. And then you're looking for a move back to the all-time high at 41,447. Although we did theoretically form a new all-time high at 41,463. Anyway, that's the zone I'd be paying attention to today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.